Good day, everybody. This is Michael of PH Tech. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to set up a local account during the installation of Windows 11, no Microsoft account required. If you want more control over your PC and better privacy, this method is for you. Let's get started. Using a local account in Windows 11 instead of a Microsoft account has several advantages, depending on your needs. Here are the key benefits and importance of a local account. 1. Privacy and data control. A local account does not sync data with Microsoft servers, unlike a Microsoft account that collects activity history, browsing data, and preferences. Reduces exposure to cloud-based tracking and data collection. 2. No Internet Dependency. A local account does not require an internet connection to log in, making it ideal for offline use. You can access your PC even if Microsoft servers are down. 3. Faster and simpler login. No need to enter an email or verify login with 2FA every time. Ideal for basic users who don't need online features. 4. Reduced bloat and fewer ads. Windows 11 aggressively pushes Microsoft services, OneDrive, Edge, Bing, etc. with a Microsoft account. A local account reduces pop-ups and unnecessary app recommendations. 5. Better performance, minimal background syncing. Microsoft account sync settings, OneDrive files, and Windows Store apps, which can slow down performance. A local account prevents unnecessary background processes. 6. Enhanced security for single PC users. If you don't use Microsoft services, a local account reduces attack vectors like cloud-based phishing or credential leaks. No risk of account hijacking via emails, password compromise. 7. No forced Microsoft ecosystem integration. Without a Microsoft account, you're not forced to use OneDrive, Edge, or Windows Store apps. You can use alternative services like Google Drive or Firefox without interference. 8. Ideal for secondary or shared PCs. A local account is useful when setting up a family, guest, or work computer without linking personal data. Prevents unauthorized access to synced personal files. While a local account has benefits, it also has some restrictions. Cannot access Microsoft Store apps that require a Microsoft account. Cannot use OneDrive, Xbox services, or cross-device syncing. No automatic password recovery. If you forget the password, resetting it is harder. When to use a Microsoft account instead? A Microsoft account is beneficial if you use OneDrive for cloud storage. Want to sync settings across multiple devices. Need access to Windows Store apps and Microsoft 365. Require features like Find My Device or Remote Desktop. Next, I will show you the methods of installing Windows 11 without a Microsoft account. First method. Providing that you already bypassed the system requirements. If you haven't, search for my tutorial on how to bypass Windows 11 requirements, whether for an in-place upgrade or a clean install. In this video, we are in the process of installing Windows 11. When the Choose Your Country or Let's Connect to a Network sections appear, disconnect your internet. Press Shift F10 and the command prompt will pop up. Type BYPASSNRO. Then hit Enter. The setup will reset. And the I don't have internet button will appear. Click it and continue with the installation. Finally, The Windows 11 installation is successful with a local account. Second method, using RUFUS Media Creation Tool. Download the official Windows 11 ISO from the Microsoft download page. Download the latest version of RUFUS. Insert an 8 or 16 gigabytes USB flash drive into your PC. Run RUFUS and select the ISO you downloaded. Click Start. The Windows User Experience customization window will pop up. Look at the second checkbox, remove requirements for an online Microsoft account, and the third checkbox, create a local account with username. Be sure to write your username. Select all checkboxes for a smooth and automated Windows 11 installation. Click OK and wait a few minutes for your bootable media to be ready. Insert the bootable media into your PC. If performing an in-place upgrade, run setup.exe and follow the instructions. If doing a clean install, restart your PC. Continuously press the keyboard shortcut for the one-time boot menu. Note, this varies by PC brand. When the boot menu appears, choose the flash drive you inserted, then hit Enter. The Windows installation will now begin. Just relax and chill. The process is automated. Finally, the Windows 11 installation is successful with a local account. And there you have it, a simple way to create a local account in Windows 11 without being forced to sign in to Microsoft. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on future tips and tutorials. Let me know in the comments, do you prefer a local or Microsoft account? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.